Greetings once more, everyone. Imagine waking up each day filled with revitalized vigor, limitless energy, and an eagerness to overcome any challenges that arise while putting aside worries about muscle deterioration as time passes. Today, we delve into a topic that could significantly enhance your life. Uncover the definitive solution to muscle loss with these 7 exceptional foods that fight against age-related muscle decline. If you've ever wondered why your muscles might not feel as strong over time, or if you're looking for natural ways to boost your strength and energy, stay tuned. These foods are poised to change your experience. Before we begin, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. By doing this simple action, you not only stay updated with our latest health tips, but also show your dedication to taking care of your body. Your support means a lot and motivates us to keep providing the best advice for a healthier lifestyle. In this video, we'll break down each food item for you, starting with number 7 and counting down to the top choice at number 1. Get ready for a straightforward guide filled with practical tips. Whether you're beginning your journey towards nutritious eating or looking to improve your diet, you've arrived at the ideal place. Start your journey to better muscle health today. 7 quinoa. Quinoa is an impressive grain that has received praise for centuries because of its outstanding nutritional benefits. This small seed provides a remarkable enhancement of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, demonstrating that significant benefits can be found in compact forms. Quinoa is notable for its exceptional capacity to deliver all 9 essential amino acids, making it a comprehensive protein source that significantly supports muscle repair and growth. The elevated fiber levels help sustain a sense of fullness, making it an excellent option for individuals looking to manage their weight effectively while also supporting muscle development, complemented by its mild nutty flavor and versatile texture. Quinoa integrates effortlessly into numerous meals, whether you're preparing a vibrant salad, a soothing soup, a hearty side, or even substituting rice in your beloved dishes. Including quinoa in your everyday meals offers vital nutrients for your muscles, helping them stay robust and ready to tackle any challenges that arise. Greek yogurt is an exceptional option, providing a delicious flavor and an abundance of nutrients that are excellent for enhancing your physical well-being. By straining regular yogurt, we create a denser consistency and greatly increase the protein levels. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, making it a superb choice for recovery and development of muscle. It's ideal for recovery after exercise or as a healthy enhancement to your everyday meals. Greek yogurt provides a substantial amount of protein and is rich in calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and ensuring optimal muscle function. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics that support your digestive health, aiding your body in effectively absorbing vital nutrients. Enjoy it as is, mix it with fruits, or add a hint of honey for a touch of sweetness. Greek yogurt is a tasty choice to maintain your muscles energized and healthy throughout the day. 5. Salmon. Salmon is not merely a delicious fish. It serves as a remarkable source of nutrition that supports muscle health in various ways. This fish is an outstanding provider of omega-3 fatty acids, celebrated for their capacity to diminish inflammation and enhance muscle recovery after exercise. By alleviating inflammation, your muscles can recuperate more swiftly, enabling you to maintain strength and endurance over time, in addition to omega-3s. Salmon offers a wealth of high-quality protein that provides the essential components necessary for muscle repair and growth. This product offers a comprehensive selection of essential vitamins, including B12 and D, as well as important minerals like selenium, all of which are key to sustaining a lively and energetic body. Including salmon in your meals, whether baked, grilled, or steamed, provides a tasty and effective way to boost your muscle health and overall well-being. 4 eggs are an incredibly versatile and nutrient-rich food that plays a vital role in improving muscle health. They are one of the best natural sources of high-quality protein, essential for repairing and building muscles after strenuous activity. Each egg is packed with amino acids, the fundamental components of muscle tissue that your body needs for effective recovery and growth. In addition to being a protein powerhouse, eggs are rich in essential vitamins such as vitamin D, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones, and vitamin B12, which is important for energy production. They also contain essential minerals like selenium and choline that contribute to overall wellness. Whether you prefer your eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, incorporating them into your meals is a smart decision to supply your muscles with the necessary nutrients for strength and resilience. Including eggs in your well-rounded nutrition plan not only supports muscle recovery, but also provides a tasty, energy-boosting meal suitable for any time of day. 3. Spinach. Spinach goes beyond being just a simple leafy green. It serves as a powerhouse of nutrients, offering significant benefits for your muscles. This vibrant vegetable is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like magnesium and iron, all of which play a crucial role in muscle function and overall physical strength. Spinach is rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting muscle cells from damage and promoting faster recovery after physical activity. Additionally, spinach serves as an excellent source of dietary fiber, supporting healthy digestion and improving your body's nutrient absorption capabilities. Including spinach in your meals is simple and straightforward. Simply add it to salads and incorporate this nutrient-rich green into your daily meals by blending it into a refreshing smoothie or sautéing it lightly for a delicious side dish. This addition provides your muscles with essential support, ensuring they remain strong, repair effectively, and perform optimally. Almonds are not merely a delicious and fulfilling snack. They serve as a vital source of nutrition crucial for maintaining healthy muscles. These small yet mighty sources are rich in protein crucial for the recovery of muscle fibers after exercise, and they offer a substantial amount of essential fatty acids. Almonds contain a significant amount of vitamin E, an effective antioxidant that protects your muscles from the detrimental impacts of oxidative stress. Increased magnesium levels improve muscle function by aiding in both contraction and relaxation. Enjoying a handful of almonds as a snack or incorporating them into your meals provides a dependable source of energy, reduces muscle inflammation, and speeds up your body's recovery following physical activities. Including almonds in your diet allows you to enjoy a tasty treat, while also offering your muscles the Vita L assistance they need to grow stronger and more resilient over time. One chicken breast stands out prominently in our selection, serving as a clear frontrunner in the domain of muscle-building nutrition. This lean meat is highly esteemed for its exceptional protein content, essential for the repair and growth of muscle tissue. Chicken breast features a low fat content, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to maintain a balanced diet while working towards their fitness goals. The protein content offers all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle building and repair, especially after an intense workout. Chicken breast is versatile, easily adapting to various cooking methods like grilling, baking, or stir-frying, and fitting seamlessly into numerous dishes. It also provides vital nutrients, including B vitamins, which are important for converting food into energy and maintaining an efficient metabolism. Including chicken breast in your meals regularly ensures that your muscles receive the vital nutrients necessary for strength, quick recovery, and enhanced performance. We sincerely value your time and interest in delving into these insights with us. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information both beneficial and inspiring as you embark on your journey to develop stronger, healthier muscles. Remember that attaining success demands steadfast dedication. The small changes you incorporate into your daily nutrition and habits can result in significant improvements over time. If this video motivated you or ignited fresh ideas for beneficial changes, we encourage you to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and effective wellness advice. Your support is crucial in helping us create content that motivates you to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Remain dedicated to your wellness journey. Keep moving forward, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in the upcoming video. Embrace your journey towards improved well-being and energy.